Hello traders, in today's video we are going to be looking at the XPFE indicator for MT5. This trend and momentum tool smooths price action and highlights bullish, bearish and flat phases so you can visually filter out noise and focus on clever directional moves. At this point I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Remember to always allow the allowed imports. And there we go. On the chart, the XPFE indicator typically shows a trend following structure that changes visually as momentum shifts. You can see how it appears here in the separate sub window. When XPFE aligns upward and remains in its bullish mode, it visually implies rising momentum and a supportive trend environment, as you can see at these upper zones. When it aligns downward, it implies falling momentum and a bearish environment like we have over here and here. Flat or neutral phases in the XPFE output highlight periods where the market lacks strong directional strength and where high probability opportunities may be limited. Like somewhere around here. As for the indicator settings, let's take a look. Alright, so XPFE uses smoother price averages, momentum filtering, and volatility sensitive calculations internally to build its outputs. You can adjust sensitivity levels, smoothing periods, visual appearance, and alert conditions so the indicator reacts faster or slower and presents signals in a way that suits scalping, intraday, or swing trading. So who is it for? XPFE indicator is suited to traders who want a cleaner, rule-based way to read trend direction, strength, and momentum shifts across multiple time frames. It performs best in trending, moderately volatile markets, can lag during very fast spikes or struggle in sideways ranges, and should always be used with additional confirmation and risk management instead of as a standalone system. The download link is in the description below. You can read the full XPFE indicator MT5 article, including strategy examples, pros, cons, and best practice tips at the Forex Geek. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future educational videos.